Hello everyone, it's been quite a while. I haven't uploaded any videos. The internet got cut off in the state in May, and ever since then, I haven't been active. It's almost 5 to 6 months now. I thought of uploading a couple of times, but always got procrastinate in editing or doing this and that. But finally, today, I make up my mind to break that. This might not be the best comeback videos, but I need to upload that to get back to the track. Yes, talking about the comeback, I will give an announcement in the end of the video. Please stay till the end. As you can see, here is the video of me and my friend cooking biryani on one random Sunday evening. The irony is that it was random for many of us, but it seems that the three mastermind, or so to say, the sponsors of biryani party, were planning weeks ago. Anyway, on behalf of all, we really appreciate your efforts and generosity. And truly speaking, we look forward for more of such random gathering with foods. At the start, you may be thinking, what is that we are seeing? It's a Women's Day, so we present a special number in the church. And now, we, the youths, are making the best of the Women's Day. And about the comeback I mentioned earlier, I am excited to share with you that the BRM event organizing team from Temanglang is once again organizing a concert at the Natural Football Ground Temanglang on 28th of October 2023. That is this coming Saturday, 6 p.m. onwards, called a redolent tribute concert in loving memory of their bandmate Led Stephen Kamai, the bassist of the band. Along with them, the young uprising band called the Empathic Band will be performing as the soul opener. So if you are around Manglong, I hope you will sew it up and let's have a great weekend together. Anyways, let's get back to our biryani cooking videos. It's around 8:30 to 9 in the evening, which means very late for the Manglong people to have a dinner. So everyone has lost their energy by now. As you can see, how happy is Aponta White by just seeing a boiled plate of squash. Our biryani is ready, so we are going to have our dinner. Introducing to you all our master chef of the party. He owns a fast food in the market area. Kindly visit him. His name is Mr. Lankui Mai Kamai. So here is the video of our food, but nobody sacrifices to take the video while eating, so that's all we have. Now we are done with our dinner and time to clean up. And another irony of today's evening is that universally women are known to be talkative, but you know what? That was not the case here. They have this proof, the universal theory. Anyways, thank you all so much for being here till the end of the videos. Stay safe everyone till we meet again in the next video.